Present perfect. Present perfect. Has, have and got third form. अच्छा एक और कॉमन चीज है आपके परफेक्ट में वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म आएगा? ये यूज वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. Here has, have, had and verb third form. Verb third form is common. ठीक है? Next, past perfect. Had again verb third form. And for future, yes, will, shall, plus have again verb third form. Here has is used for singular. Have plural. Here now come to the examples. He has played cricket. ये मैं आपको he has played and for plural they have played. Now come to past. They or he. The helping verb will be had. Main verb of third form. Here he or they will have. Again same play. Okay, this is all about perfect tense.